Today we are going to see about the sex determination. What is sex determination? Sex determination is a method by which the distinction between male and female is established in a species. What is sex determination? Sex determination is a method by which the distinction between male and female is established in a species. Okay, what is sex determination? Sex determination is a method by which the distinction between the male and female is established in a species. Sex chromosomes determine the sex of the individual in unisexual organism. Sex chromosome determine the sex. Sex chromosome determine the sex individuals in unicellular organism. What is the meaning of unicellular? Unicellular organism means single cell organism. Okay, so sex chromosome determine the sex of the unisexual organism. First we should know some terms. How many chromosomes of human body? 46 chromosomes of human body. How many chromosomes? 46 chromosomes. 46 chromosomes. 23 pairs. 23 pairs. இணை ஜோடிகள் தமிழ்ல சொல்வாங்க. இல்ல 22 body chromosome. 22 body chromosome or autosome. Body chromosome or autosomes. Okay? And only 22 pair. Only one pair sex chromosome or allosome. Sex chromosome or allosome. Okay, how many chromosomes? 46 chromosomes, 23 pairs, 22 pair of body chromosomes or autosomes, to only one pair sex chromosome or allosome. Okay, first we should know some terms. First one, homomorphic heteromorphic versus homomorphic heteromorphic. First one, homomorphic. Second one, heteromorphic. What is the meaning of homo? Homo means same. Morphology means morphic means morphology. Okay, morphic means morphology. So sex chromosomes are similar in structure. What is homomorphic? Sex chromosome are similar in structure. Okay, for example, 46 chromosome in female double X. The sex chromosome double X. So same. Sex chromosome are similar in structure, double X. Next one, heteromorphic. What is the meaning of hetero? Hetero means different. Morphic means morphology. So sex chromosome are dissimilar in nature. What is heteromorphic? Sex chromosome are dissimilar in nature. Dissimilar in structure or nature. Okay, in nature. XY in male, the chromosome one X, another one Y. So dissimilar in structure. Okay, what is heteromorphic? Heteromorphic means sex chromosome are similar in structure. Example, double X in female. Heteromorphic means sex chromosome are dissimilar in nature. Example, in male XY chromosome. Next term, homogametic, second one, fourth one, heterogametic, second one, heterogametic. What is the meaning of homo? Already you know, homo means same. So gametes means sexual or reproductive cell, so homogametic means gametes are similar in nature. Gametes are similar. For example, chromosome 44 plus XX. So gamete formation 22 plus X, 22 plus X. So gametes are similar in nature, the same X chromosome. Okay, the gametes are similar in nature. Next one, heterogametic. What is the meaning of hetero? Hetero means different. Gamete means sexual or reproductive cell. So gametes are dissimilar. Gametes are dissimilar. Example, the gamete formation, how many chromosomes? 44 autosome. Okay, XY, sex chromosome XY, gamete formation 22 plus X, 22 plus Y. So the gamete formation is different, dissimilar. So gametes are dissimilar. What is homogametic? Homogametic means gametes are similar. Heterogametic means gametes are dissimilar. Okay. Homomorphic, here only speak only sex chromosome. Okay. Next topic, heterogametic. Heterogametic male. Next topic, heterogametic male. Heterogametic male. Okay, in this type of sex determination, male heterogametic, but female homogametic. In this type of sex determination, male heterogametic, female homogametic. Okay, the sex of the offspring determined at the time of fertilization. Okay, the sex of the offspring determined at the time of fertilization. Okay, this type of sex determination occurs in first one, cockroach, grasshopper, last one, pucks na மூட்டை பூச்சின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, this type of sex determination occurs in first one, cockroach, grasshopper and bugs. Okay, so what are the sex determination? Gamete formation, first one. So the gametes are XX, XO type, XO type of sex determination. So the parents, first one, gamete formation, parents, AA means autosome. Okay, XX is the female, male autosome plus heterogamete. So XO, one X chromosome is present. Okay, next gamete formation. Gametes, we can take only one gamete because another gamete also same. So you can take only one gamete. Next gamete, AX. Next one, AO. Okay, why I am putting tail? It refers to male gametes, so I am putting tail. Okay, so such type of egg is fertilized by the such type of sperm. such type of egg is fertilized by the such type of sperm develop into female. Such type of egg is fertilized by the sperm develop into male. AAX0. It is a heterogametic. It's a heterogametic. It is a female. Okay. First parents autosome, double X chromosome. So female homogametic in nature. Okay. Male heterogametic, only one X and absence of another one X. Okay. Gamete formation we can take only one gamete because another gamete also same. So a gamete formation AX, another one A, autosome X1, another one O. So such type of gamete, such type of egg is fertilized by the such type of sperm develop into female. Such type of egg is fertilized by the sperm develop into male. Okay. Next one. Next type XX XY type of sex determination. Next type XX X type of sex determination. Okay. The first gamete parents XX type. So AA XX. First one gamete female, male AA plus XY. This type of sex determination occur in human beings and Drosophila. Drosophila means palapuchin solvanga. This type of human beings. Second one Drosophila. Okay. Second one gamete formation. Gametes AX. Okay. Two type of gametes. In this type of sex determination, female homogametic but male heterogametic. Okay. Female produce two type. Female produce one type of egg, but female produce two type of sperm. Okay. Male produce two type of or two kind of sperm, but female produce only one kind of egg. Okay. Nature XX the same, only one kind of egg. So gamete formation AX, another one AY. This is it refers to male gamete. So such type of egg is fertilized by such type of sperm. So gamete form develop into AAXX. Second one, such type of egg is fertilized by sperm develop into male AA into XY. Okay. First of male produce, second one female produce. This is a female, this is male. Next one, next type Z0. Z is a type of sex determination. The sex of the offspring depend on the sex of the young ones or offsprings depend on the sperm that fertilize the egg. Sperm that fertilize the egg. Okay, next type ZO. Third one ZO. Z is a type of sex determination. ZO. Z is a type of sex determination. Sex determination, okay. In this type of sex determination occurs in first one butterfly, moth, chicken. This type of sexual determination occurs seen in butterfly, moth. Next one, chicken. Why add Z0 and ZZ? To avoid the confusion, X0 அதுக்கு பதிலா Z0, XY அதுக்கு பதிலா XY Z0, XX. Okay. First one, the parent gametes. Parents AA autosome Z0 type. Next one, ZAA Z type. So what is a male? This is a male. This is female. Sorry, this is female. This is male. This type of sex determination, female heterogametic. This type of sex determination, female heterogametic. What is the meaning of heterogametic? What is heterogametic? Gametes are dissimilar in structure. Okay, gametes are dissimilar means first one is Z, another one 0. So gametes are dissimilar in structure. The gamete formation, first one A Z, another one gamete A 0. So next one gamete formation, we can take any one because another one also same. So A Z. Okay, so the young ones, F1 generation, AA Z. Young one, male first one. Second one, AA Z0. So this is female. Okay, next one type. ZW, Z is a type of sex determination. Next one, ZW, Z type of sex determination. This type of sex determination occurs in insect, reptile and birds. Okay, this type of sex determination occurs in birds, fishes. Okay, first one, the type parent, first female, male, AA Z W, male AA Z. This type of sex determination, female heterogametic. So Z1 another one W to produce two kind of egg. Okay, produce two type of egg. Eggs. So gametes are next one. In a male produce the same type of sperm. Same type, only one kind of sperm. Same type of sperm. Okay. First, next gamete formation. First one gamete A Z. Next one gamete A, another one gamete A W. In male gamete formation, we can take only one A Z. So F1 generation A Z. So AA autosome. A means autosome. Next one AA Z W. This is male, this is female. Okay, next topic. Okay, student, see the chart. First one, XX type of sex determination. So gamete formation, first one heterogametic male. Second one ZZO type of sex determination, heterogametic in female. Okay, so gamete formation female only, female heterogametic. Okay, next last one ZW is a type of sex determination also. Female is heterogametic in nature. So last one, sex determination in human beings. Okay, sex determination in human beings. Male heterogametic, female homogametic. What is the meaning of heterogametic? Heterogametic means different type of gamete produced. First one gamete X, another one gamete Y. Okay, so male is a heterogametic. Female homogametic. What is the meaning of homogametic? Homo means same. Gametes means sexual or reproductive cell or same type. Only one kind of sexual produced. Okay. So XX. So gamete formation 22. A plus X. What is the meaning of 22? 22 it is a autosome. Autosome means body chromosome. X1X is a sex chromosome. Okay. 22 plus XY. 22 plus XX. The gamete formation, the offspring XX, XY, 44 plus A, XX, 44 plus XY, fourth one 44 plus XX, 44 plus XY. So female, male and female, male produced. Okay. Next one, dosage compensation bar body. Dosage compensation. Dosage compensation. Bar body. In 1949, Barr observed the scientist named Bard. Okay, Bard observed the contents. Barr observed the contents nerve cell in female cat. இவர் என்ன செஞ்சார்னா அந்த கண்டென்ஸ் nerve cell எதுல பார்த்தார்னா ஃபீமேல் கேட்ல பார்த்தார். பட் which was absent in male cat. Okay, இது எதுல absentனா absent in male cat. Okay, the contents nerve cells is also called bar body. Okay, the contents nerve cell, the contents nerve cell called as sex chromatin. The content nerve cells called as sex chromatin. Later referred as, this is called bar body. Later referred as, this is called bar body. Bar body is nothing but any one of the chromosome is absent. Okay, any one of the chromosome is functionless. What is bar body? Bar body means any one of the chromosome is functionless. Any one of the chromosome functionless. Functionless. 2n minus 1. For example, in Klinefelter syndrome, 44 plus XXY in Klinefelter syndrome, 44A plus XXY in Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome, one X chromosome is not functionless, non-function. Okay, one X chromosome is non-functional. X minus 1. Okay, 2X minus 1. Next one example in super female triple X, 44 plus A plus XXX triple X. Any one of the chromosome is functionless. So 2X minus 1 in super female. Do you understand the dosage compensation bar body? So next one, haplodiploidy in honeybee. Haplodiploidy in honeybee. Haplodiploidy in honeybee. In honeybee. Okay. Haplodiploid in honeybee, male haploid condition, female diploid condition. Fertilized egg develop into female First one, this type of sex determination occurs in ant, wasp na kolavi. Okay. Next one, honeybee. This type of sex determination occurs in the tree. First one ant, second one wasp, third one honeybee. Okay. First one, the fertilized egg develop into female. Fertilized egg develop into female. Unfertilized egg developed into male. Next one, unfertilized egg develop into male without fertilization. Okay, fertilized egg develop into female, unfertilized egg develop into male without fertilization, male by parthenogenesis. What is the meaning of parthenogenesis? Partheno means virgin, genesis means produce. So parthenogenesis means development of egg without fertilization. Without fertilization. Okay. So fertilized egg develop into female. Female means queen. 3 type of honeybee. Queen, another one worker. The unfertilized egg develop into male means drone. Okay. Next, male have half the number of chromosome and female have diploid number of chromosome. The male have, the honeybee male have half the number of chromosome. Female have diploid, that is double number of chromosome. Double means diploid number of chromosome. So hence the name is haplodiploidy. Okay, hence the name is haplodiploidy. Okay, what is the meaning of haplodiploidy? Male have half the number of chromosome and female have double the number of diploid number of chromosome. So hence the name is haplodiploidy in honeybees. Okay students, what to learn today? First, sex determination of animals. First one type XX, XO type. Next XX, XY type. Third one ZO, Z is a type of sex determination. Fourth one ZWO, Z is a type of sex determination. Last one, sex determination in human beings and bar body haplodiploid in honeybees. Thank you. Today homework, learn and write how is sex determined in honeybee. Thank you.